Yeah, the fight ended. I think the rooster won.
I don't know who won.
I don't know, the rooster or the chicken. Guys,
They're
comment.
both roosters.
Guys, comment down below. Who won?
I think they're fighting over the girl.
Yeah.
See that white chicken?
Yeah.
They're fighting over it. Oh, they're gonna fight again.
Yeah.
Oh, they're not.
They're fighting over the girl. So the girl sees who's stronger.
Yo, Pato, go fall. I'm not gonna let you fall. You're gonna be safe in my hands. Always.
Kuya, come, let's go to Nani Pina's house and see what they're doing.
No, there's no one inside their house.
I meant
They left for vacations. That's okay. You're gonna be safe in my hands.
Look, guys, do you see them? Yep, they're hiding. Bye, guys. It's the end of the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.